Hello everyone, welcome to Torres Math. All right, today we are going to work on factorization. Stay with me until we work out all the three questions. So with factorization, it's much easier. So we have the first question, which is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So in this case, we want the numbers that when you multiply, you get this 2x squared times 1, which is 2x squared. And when you add, please don't forget the sign, because the signs, they are very important. So we wanted the number, two numbers that when we multiply, we get 2x squared, and when we subtract or when we add, we get 3 plus 3x. And these numbers, these are, we can do with plus 2x and with plus 1x, or you can just say plus 1, right? Or plus x actually. So now we are going to replace this with the factors that we have found. So we're going to say 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1, this one. So this 3x, you replace it with the factors that you have found. Now with these two numbers, we have a common factor, which is 2x. So you factor out 2x and you'll be left with x plus 1. And these two, you find the common factor as well, which is plus 1. And when you factor out, you get x plus 1. These two brackets, they should be the same for you to conclude that, therefore, the answer is x plus 1. And these ones, they form their own bracket, which is 2x plus 1. So this is the final answer for this. Now, when we go to this one, we multiply the first factor and the last factor, and we get plus 24x, right? Plus 24x. And when we add, we have minus 10x. So this one, when we multiply, the factors will be, this one is actually quite easy because 4 and 6, they are actually the common factors. So we are going to have minus 6x and minus 4x. Because if you say minus 6x minus 4x, you get minus 10x. If you multiply, you get positive 24x squared. Yeah. Then now we are going to replace minus 10x with these factors. Then it will be just 4x squared minus 6x minus 4x plus 6. Now, as you see these numbers, if you take minus 4x to this one, it will give us a better common factor. And if you take minus 6x to this side, it will give us a better common factor as well. So we are going to rewrite to say 4x squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 6. And now these two, our common factor is 4x. So take out 4x and you'll be left with x minus 1. And here the common factor is minus 6. Then you're going to take out x minus 1. So when you multiply these numbers, you should be able to go back to this. So if you say minus 6 times x, you get to minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 1, you get plus 6. Now, because these brackets, they are the same, now we can say, therefore, x minus 1, and these ones form their own bracket, 4x minus 6. And that's the final answer for this. Now let's do the last one, which is 5x squared minus 13x minus 6. So when you multiply this and this, you get minus 30x squared. And this one, you take it as it is, which is minus 13x. So we want factors. When we multiply, they give us this. When we subtract, they give us this. And 15 and 2, those are quite good factors too. So, but because it's minus, so we are going to say minus 15x, and the other one will be positive 2x, right? When you multiply this, you get minus 30x squared. When you add, you get minus 13x. So now we are going to say 5x squared. Now you put this to replace this part, which is minus 15x plus 2x minus 6, right? then this and this common factor is 5x, then you have x minus 3 and plus 2, x minus 3, and these two brackets are the same, so therefore x minus 3 and 5x plus 2. And those are your final answers. Thank you so much for staying up to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Bye.